Hi everyone, welcome to the Simplex Center YouTube channel. So, I know it's been between a month or two since I've uploaded any videos. So, I'm just going to make this a special announcement real quick. So, I have a couple of questions to answer, maybe a few, and especially one request in the video. So, here's the reason I haven't been uploading any videos onto YouTube. Since then, I've been working on my Alero that had an issue with a transmission fluid solenoid. It had something to do with shifting the car into different gears. It was just not doing that. But I thought I was going to be able to fix it, but apparently it was a little too complicated. Enough to where I had to scrap it. So that's something I don't have anymore. So now I have a 2002 Honda Accord. Right now that's not running either, but I did get new spark plugs for it, which is good. The only problem is the fuel pump. But once I get the fuel pump running, I'll start driving the Honda Accord. However, I'm going to continue on driving the Avenger during the summer. You might have seen me drive in the Avenger's cab during some of the car wash videos, but that also might be upcoming too. And you might see it on future videos as well. So, where I'm out on the gravel road sometimes, but I don't usually take that on gravel roads because I don't want the bottom to rust out so much. Because I know dirt would hold moisture underneath the chassis there, so I would have to take it to car washes anyway. So, other than that, so yeah, that's the reason I don't have the Alero anymore since then, and the reason for not uploading videos onto YouTube. But we're stepping into Season 7 of the Simplex Center, mainly for Simplex 4051-20. Because usually May 28th of 2018 is when I uploaded my first video, since I've graduated high school. But when I opened up the YouTube channel, it's usually enlisted in the About Me page or channel info page. So if you see that, that's where I've started my YouTube channel. I'm guessing either May 18th or May 14th. I don't know for sure. But other than that, I'm also going to continue uploading more No Limits 2-PSI videos, which is about the gaming part. I know some of you might have already seen it for gaming. I don't know if you like my gaming channel, No Limits 2-PSI. If you do, you can go ahead and check them out. I mean, I have like 4 or 5 videos out there, which is a subsidiary of the original No Limits 2. Since it's upgraded. So, No Limits 2-PSI is different than No Limits 2 on the Simplex Center, which No Limits 2 was original to this channel. Some of you might have already seen it, but there's a lot of No Limits 2 videos out there. About 20 to 30, at least. Plus, I had some of the No Limits 2 movies as well. Like The Path of Starkiller. That was one of them. And then, also, for another future video upcoming would be about, like, educational television. I know I have, like, 2 or 3 of them out there. So, with that in mind, I also might be planning on uploading more educational television videos, so stay tuned for that. Empire Builder, I don't know for sure when I'll start that yet. But sometime soon, but not this year or the next year. Or I might just do another subsidiary of the Simplex Setter channel to replace that too. I mean, I haven't been doing Empire Builder at all lately, so it's usually about a technician that works on like machines or equipment, stuff like that. I just have not been doing that. So that's why there's no Empire Builders out there on YouTube at all. So, and then I also had someone in the comments section ask me if I could do a short video. Well, mainly it's called YouTube Shorts, and I've heard of that and seen it out there. That's the only thing I have not done yet, or YouTube posts whatsoever. YouTube posts is usually about somebody typing something on the internet, like on the YouTube page, about future updates or questions or votes. That's something I don't usually do for YouTube posts and stuff like that. But for shorts, I was thinking of doing like helpful advice for YouTube shorts. I was thinking of that. But I am not 100% sure if that would work, but I'm going to give that a try for helpful advice, like guiding you through life and steps to make things better and how to help others get through their day when they're having problems. That's what helpful advice will be all about. You know what I mean, right? Yeah, other than that, I got no more questions here. Also, for the update of the Simplex Center, you might be wondering what that is. Yep, that's right. It's my brand new bandana. I'm using this as a neckerchief to make it to look cool. See, I wrap this around my neck normally, tie it up, and there you go. That's what I would look like. But generally I would wear a blue shirt if I'm out there most of the time. But anyways, yeah, if you see me out there wearing a bandana, you know it's me. Out in the tracks, probably rail fanning or going to car washes, you name it. So yeah, if you like the YouTube channel, The Simplex Setter, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that way you don't miss a video from me. That's also if you want to see more of it. Let's just say if you're busy with schoolwork, which of course it's summertime right now, since of course there's not going to be any school at the moment until like Labor Day, something like that. And also if you like some of the videos that I upload onto YouTube, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And then the next video, I think, would be another No Limits 2-PSI video. It'd be about a gaming video, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, other than that, that's all I got. I will see you guys next time on the next upcoming videos. Bye, everyone.